Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to live sync SketchUp file into Lumion. Open SketchUp file and go to extensions, extension warehouse, and over there search Lumion and download it. It is free, you can download it anytime. We have another option too. Go to extensions, extension manager, click on install extensions and click on the Lumion plugin SketchUp link. Open the plugin. Look for the plugin link in the YouTube descriptions. Open Lumion. I have already opened the Lumion. Click on the Start LiveSync option in SketchUp. It will take 5 to 6 seconds depending upon your PC. Go to the Lumion. It is loading. And here it comes, our SketchUp file. Enjoy! Like, share and subscribe for more informative short videos. Thank you.